Good morning, children. Yes, I have, because my phone is in a problem, my camera was in a problem, so I did not explain you the lesson in the last class. Today I am explaining you the lesson. Okay, what is the name of the lesson? The plant kingdom. Yes, we see plants all around us. Do we see plants are all around us? Yes, we see different types of plants all around us. Yes, plants make the world very కదా చెట్లు అవన్నీ చూస్తాం కదా గ్రీనరీ అంతా ఉంటుంది కదా yes they make the world very beautiful. For that sake nowadays many government are doing many programs, no? Haritaharam, plant a tree. Yes, yes, all that are because plants make the world pure. Plants make the air pure. For that sake they are asking us to, they reduce the pollution. If we grow plants they reduce the pollution and they give us fresh air kada. అవి మనకి ఫ్రెష్ ఎయిర్ ఇస్తాయా? yes, plant carbon dioxide, whatever we leave the gas, that air is taken by the plant, and the fresh air oxygen which we breathe, it is given by a plant only. Okay, it releases oxygen and takes in carbon dioxide. Okay, see, now I am going to explain you parts of a plant. Okay, what are the parts of a plant? See. Yes, see the different parts of the plant. Do you know different parts of the plant? See, the main which is a green in color, this is called as a stem. इसको क्या बोलते हैं? बीच में जो स्टैंड ग्रीन कलर वाली स्टिक रहती है उसको बोलते हैं stem. What do you call it? It is called as stem. Yes, these are leaves. पत्ते को क्या बोलते हैं? Leaves. And these are roots. Yes, roots. Yes, this is a fruit. Yes, fruit, flower. Yes, before opening into the flower it will be bud. Okay, yes, these are different parts of a plant. See, ऐसे छोटे छोटे निकलते इसको बोलते branch. Branches आते हैं, branch. Yes, the different parts of the flower. These are the different parts of the plant. Yes, the part which grows under the ground, जो जमीन के अंदर ग्रो होते उसको क्या बोलते हैं? उसको बोलते हैं रूट सिस्टम. जो जमीन के ऊपर दिखते ना ये पूरा पार्ट को शूट सिस्टम बोलते हैं. जो नीचे नहीं दिखता ना इसको बोलते हैं रूट सिस्टम. Yes, what we cannot see, these all are roots. They will be inside the mud, we can't see them. Only whenever we pull off the plant they will be seen. This is called root system. And the upper part which is above the ground, it is known as shoot system. Okay, now see, now root system, shoot system, we have two types of roots, children. One is fibrous root. Yes, what is the first root? Tap root and fibrous roots, children. Fibrous roots and tap root. Okay, tap roots are like this. See, these roots, it will have a main stem like this. See, tap root, it will have a main stem like this, and from this stem you see many branches like this. Okay, ऐसे छोटे छोटे पूरे बीच में वाली स्टेम दिखती, मेन रूट दिखता, लेकिन दूसरी रूट है टैप रूट. बीच के वाले ये दिखते रहता हम लोगों को, ये बीच का मेन रूट. लेकिन द नेक्स्ट वन फाइब्रस रूट. फाइब्रस रूट को क्या है? द मेन रूट विल नॉट बी सीन. मेजर वाली जो है बीच वाली वो दिखती नहीं, उसमें से ही पूरे बहुत सारे छोटे छोटे रूट्स आ जाते. ये क्या है? टैप रूट. टैप रूट विल गो मोर इनसाइड द ग्राउंड. ओके, टैप रूट अंदर तक पेनिट्रेट हो जाता, वो झाड़ को मजबूत रखता, बहुत अंदर तक जाके मिट्टी के अंदर तक ग्रो होते रहते ये रूट्स. लेकिन फाइब्रस रूट्स वो ऊपर के थोड़े लेवल तक ही ग्रो होते, पूरे ऐसे एक में ऐसा ఒకదానికొకటి లింక్ అయ్యి పెరుగుతూ ఉంటాయి. కానీ అవి కొంచెం లెవెల్ వరకే ఉంటాయి. జమీన్ కే తోడే కి के अंदर ही चले जाते, बहुत अंदर तक नहीं जाते। इसलिए जब भी बहुत पानी ये वो आ गए तो ये फाइब्रस रूट्स है सब झाड़ वाले निकल जाते जल्दी। लेकिन ये टैप रूट है सब झाड़ क्या है वो बहुत अंदर तक है बोल के जल्दी निकलता नहीं झाड़ जमीन में से। ओके, these are different types of roots. Some special roots, we can see some special roots also. Yes, see aerial roots. Roots that grow from other parts of a plant are seen above the ground and are called aerial roots. Okay. Yes, थोड़े देखो आप लोग गांव में गए तो कनिपिस्ताया मेरे को ऊड़ालू చెట్టు झाड़ से ऐसे बड़े बड़े थ्रेड के जैसे रस्सी के जैसे लटकते रहते, वो है एरियल रूट्स, ऊड़ालू अंटारू तेलुगुलो। सी यहाँ पर दिखा रहा, देखो दिख रहा, इसको बोलते हैं एरियल रूट्स। व्हाट आर दिस? दिस आर एरियल रूट्स। Yes, they spread the branches wide of the tree. Yes, mangroves trees in areas where there is a lot of water in the soil. जहाँ पर बहुत पानी है जमीन में, वहाँ पर मैंग्रोव ट्रीज ग्रो होते हैं। देखो वो लोग के रूट्स भी कैसे दिखा रहे पिक्चर पे। They help in breathing the air. Now parasites and semi-parasites that grow on other trees or shrubs produce aerial roots that grow into the host plant to get it nutrients. Yes, parasites बोल के एक क्या बोलते हैं कीड़े के जैसे रहते हैं जो पानी में रहते हैं। वो क्या करते हैं, वो झाड़ को हेल्प करते हैं, ఏం చేస్తాయి చెట్టుకి హెల్ప్ చేస్తాయి, పైనుంచి రూట్స్ రావడానికి చెట్టుకి హెల్ప్ చేస్తూ ఉంటాయి అన్నమాట। Yes, now what are the functions of the roots? Roots क्या क्या करते हैं? Yes, roots store food for the plant. Yes, roots store food for the plant. वो अपने झाड़ के लिए पूरे जो भी खाना स्टोर करते इधर कर लेते रूट्स। हाँ, जो भी पानी हम लोग डाल रहे यहाँ पर पहले कहाँ चले जाते, पानी रूट्स में ही चले जाते। रूट्स क्या करते, पूरे पानी ऊपर तक रूट्स बेस से रहते। Yes, they prevent soil erosion. The roots hold the soil together. ये क्या है, जमीन में बहुत अंदर तक रह जाके सॉइल बोले तो मिट्टी, जमीन के अंदर की मिट्टी को बहुत पकड़ के रखते टाइट, क्योंकि पानी भी बह गए तो उसमें मिट्टी ना बहने जैसे अभी పట్టుకొని ఉంటాయి, మడ్డిని గట్టిగా హోల్డ్ చేసి ఉంటాయి సాయిల్ ని। Yes, roots fix the plant to the soil firmly and prevent from getting uprooted. Yes, ये ही झाड़ को मजबूत देते हैं, जमीन के अंदर रहने के लिए मजबूत रूट्स ही देते కదా। रूट्स ఉంటేనే చెట్టు నించుంటది కదా। यस और नो, रूट्स ही हेल्प करते वो मजबूत रहने के लिए, प्लांट टाइटली होल्ड करने के लिए, ठीक है। यस, नाउ स्टेम शूट सिस्टम। यस, शूट सिस्टम क्या है, ये पूरे स्टेम फ्लावर्स रूट्स, अब तक हम लोग रूट सिस्टम देख लिए, अब शूट सिस्टम में क्या है, लीव्स, स्टेम पहले, स्टेम क्या करते हैं, स्टेम अपराइट्स द, वो ही झाड़ को स्टैंड होने के लिए स्टेम ही मेन है। Yes, it carries waters and nutrients from the ground to other parts of the plant. They also carry food prepared by the leaves to all the other parts. Some stems store food for the plant. We eat the stored food of stems as vegetables. Okay, see, ये क्या करते हैं, पूरे जो भी रूट्स में से पानी आ रहा, ये पूरा स्टेम ही पूरे लीव्स को, फ्रूट्स को, फ्लावर्स को सप्लाई करते, नहीं वो प्लांट को पानी सप्लाई करते हैं और फूड भी सप्लाई करते हैं। स्टेम में फूड भी सप्लाई करते हैं। यस, थोड़े स्टेम्स हम लोग देखो पालक की भाजी ये सब खाते ना, वो पूरे स्टेम्स के साथ ही खाते, उसमें भी हम लोग थोड़े स्टेम्स भी खाते। यस, लीव्स आर कॉल्ड द फूड फैक्ट्रीज ऑफ द प्लांट बिकॉज all the food for the plant is made here. Yes, leaves. Next we are going to learn about leaves. Leaves क्या करते हैं, वो है leaves only prepare the food for the plant. कैसे प्रिपेयर करते हैं, leaves take, वो लोग के अंदर leaves के अंदर क्लोरोफिल बोल के ग्रीन कलर सब्सटेंस है, leaves లలో ఏముంటదమ్మా గ్రీన్ కలర్ ఉంటది కదా, అదంతా ఏంటి క్లోరోఫిల్. With the use of the chlorophyll they take in sunlight, water, air. Yes, and they prepare the food for the plant. So leaf is called the food factory of the plant. Now buds. buds, flowers, fruits and seeds. Yes, buds. A stem bears the buds that bloom into flowers. Buds बोले तो छोटा कली, మొగ్గలు పెరుగుతాయి కదా. First the bud will grow, then after the bud will slowly, after it gets proper sunlight, water, and slowly it opens into a flower. Again the flower slowly turns into a fruit. Most flowers grow into fruits. Fruits have seeds inside them. Fruits के अंदर क्या रहते हैं? Seeds. Seeds बोलते हैं बीज. थोड़े fruits के बीज भी रहते हैं ना. देखो apple, then papaya. Yes, they have seeds inside them. Mango, orange, watermelon. All these have seeds inside them. The fruit pulp protect the seeds. Yes, whatever the fruit has the pulp inside, वो seeds को protect करते रहते. Most baby plants grow from seeds. Most plants reproduce through seeds. The seeds have the baby plant inside them. When a seed gets enough air, water and sunlight, the baby plant sprouts up, and when it is kept in the soil, grows into a new plant. Yes, in every fruit we have, some fruits we have seeds. What does a seed have? Seed has a baby plant inside them. Whenever we take that seeds and put it in the ground and pour proper water, sunlight, air, yes, slowly the new plant grows from the seed. Okay, did you all follow? Now, balance in nature. Plants and animals are independent. Yes, plants are dependent on animals. नहीं? Animals क्या करते हैं? पूरे पत्ते काटते रहते. और plants को क्या होना? Plants को animals are also dependent on plants. Plants are also dependent on animals, because all the waste, cow dung, everything, when we put in the plant grows healthy. It gets manure. Yes, क्या है? गोबर वो सब रहता है ना, वेस्ट, डिकम्पोज्ड मटेरियल, वो सब प्लांट्स में डाले तो क्या होता है? जमीन को बहुत भी ताकत आके उसमें से मैन्यूर, वो पेड़ अच्छा ग्रो होने लगता. ओके, the plant grows well. If trees are cut down, there will be less oxygen. Yes, when we cut out all the trees, we won't get oxygen, because plants only give us oxygen. When we cut the oxygen, from where do we get oxygen? No, we won't get oxygen. For that sake, we have to grow more trees so that we can get a fresh oxygen. Yes, less food for herbivores. Yes, जो भी पत्ते खाने हैं जानवर, वो लोगों को खाने के लिए कुछ भी नहीं मिलता, क्योंकि वो लोग हरे पत्ते ही खाते हैं ना. जब आप लोग हरे भरे पूरे कट कर देते, वो लोग क्या खा के जीते? नहीं. यस, एंड थोड़े एनिमल्स जो झाड़ों पे रहते, वो लोगों को भी अगर आप लोग झाड़ कट कर दिए तो वो लोग कहाँ रह जाते కదా. చిన్న చిన్న బర్డ్స్ ఉంటాయి కదా చెట్ల పైన, మీరు అన్ని చెట్లు కట్ చేసేస్తే అవి ఎక్కడ ఉంటాయి? Yes, it will be problem for even the herbivorous animals as well as birds shelter. వాటి ఇళ్ళకు కూడా కష్టం అవుతుంది. Yes, if we hurt and kill animals, there will be less carbon dioxide and the soil will be less fertile. Yes, अगर हम लोग क्या करते हैं? Yes, for that sake we should not cut any trees. Plant more trees and make the world green. Okay, so we must plant more trees and protect our animals. Yes, children, did you all do all this? Shall I say once more the objective of this? The plants of a plant that grows above the soil. Yes, above the soil. Above बोले तो ऊपर. Yes, what is it, sister? Shoot. Write B, children. Write B. Have you all written it? Okay, come on, write B. Second bit, B. Okay, first वाला. Second वाला, dash store food for the plant. Stem भी store करते, roots भी store करते. So B again here also. Now third one. Numerous roots growing from the base of the stem are called as fibrous roots. Dash protect the seeds. Yes, fruits किस में रहते? Fruits में रहते. So B. Come on, write this. Choose the correct answers. Now, fifth one. Plant have a dash cannot be easily uprooted. कौन से रूट जल्दी निकलता नहीं जमीन में से? टैप रूट. टैप रूट जो है जिसको रहते हैं वो लोग जल्दी जमीन में से निकलता नहीं, क्योंकि वो अंदर तक रह जाता बोल के, रूट्स अंदर तक घुस जाते बोल के वो लोग जल्दी जमीन में से निकलते नहीं. Now write about the fill in the blanks, children. Dash roots are seen above the ground. Yes. Aerial roots, page number 122. Third bit. First one, aerial, A-E-R-I-A-L, aerial. Second one again. Leaves contain the green pigment. अब तक मैं बोली ना, green pigment को क्या बोलते हैं? Chlorophyll. Yes, पत्ते क्यों हरे रहते? उसमें क्लोरोफिल बोल के सब्सटेंस रहता, उसके लिए पत्ते हरे भरे रहते. Yes. Dash and dash have tap root. किसको टैप रूट्स रहते? कैरेट और रैडिश को. कैरेट, radish. Okay. Now next. Dash and dash have fibrous roots. Wheat and grass. जिसको fibrous roots है? Wheat, grass. Now what is the next one? Roots prevent dash. Roots prevent soil erosion. Roots मिट्टी जाने से पकड़ के, टाइट पकड़ के रहता, मिट्टी पूरे पानी में नहीं बह जाता. Yes. Now look at true or false, children. Right? True or false. Plants and animals are dependent on each other. Yes. Plants and animals are dependent on each other. Yes or no, children? Yes. Right. True there. Yes. Fourth bit. First one. True. T-R-U-E. True. Second one. All fruits have seeds. No. थोड़े banana, थोड़े fruits में seeds रहते नहीं रहते. Yes. False. Leaves fix the plant to the soil. Yes. Leaves fix the plant. Roots fix करते soil में नहीं. Leaves पत्ते fix करते plant को नहीं. False. Fourth one. Plants with fibrous roots cannot be easily uprooted. Yes. No, it is false. Tap roots बहुत अंदर तक रहते बोल के वो लोगों को निकलना मुश्किल होता, लेकिन टैप रूट, फाइब्रस रूट्स वाले प्लांट्स को नहीं. Yes. Fruits turn into flowers. No. Flowers turn into fruits, not fruits turn into flowers. False. Have you all wrote it? Yes, children. Now see the puzzle. Yes. Wherever you have one ऐसा है ना, one के बाजू banyan लिखो. B-A-N-Y-A-N. Banyan. Okay. The second one is grass. G-R-A-S-S. Grass लिखे. Second वाला है ये. Now third one is cherries. C-H-E-R-R-Y. Cherry लिखे. Fourth one is L-I-L-Y. Lily. ये fourth वाला है. Fifth one children. R-I-C-E. Rice. Yes. Next one. Sixth one is carrot. C-A-R-R-O-T. Carrot. Seventh one is cauliflower. Cauli. C-A-U-L-I-F-L-O-W-E-R. जो बीच में पूरा क्या आया? बे लीफ. बे लीफ बोले तो मालूम, जो बगारे में, बिरयानी में पत्ते डालते हैं ना, बिरयानी के पत्ते, उसको बोलते हैं बे लीफ. लिखो नीचे आंसर बोल के है ना, उसमें लिखना बे लीफ बोल के. बे लीफ. B-A-Y. बे L-E-A-F. लीफ. बे लीफ. Okay, children, with this we have completed our lesson. I gave you answers in the WhatsApp group. Now, have you all written it? Yes, I have given you answers. No, come on, complete. In the next class, I am going to explain you the next lesson. Okay, thank you.